I'm sure you won't easily find an actor as perfect as him.
Huh? No.
The man simply gave him some food. Don't think it's stuck in his throat. This cat must have performed in a circus at some point. Doesn't it seem like the cat and this fruit are almost the same size?
Two hours later.
And his name is...
Yeah.
He's just wondering why there isn't any food for him.
No.
Cats have incredible superpowers, so never try to perform magic in front of them.